Hello guys, hope you are good. We are missing you, our good guys, good people. Today again we are glad to bring you into our project that we have just begun 2 weeks ago, and basically concurrently we are doing concurrent works that is going on, and therefore as we began with our building here, this is a 3-bedroom that we just began, and when we began this work, I think we told you about this building, the components, what it entails inside. So this is a 3-bedroom, and as I want to introduce you into this 3-bedroom building, this where I'm standing is the sit out. So I'm standing at the sit out. So this is the sit out. In a layman language we call it the balcony, the veranda, where now if you want to enter into the house, where the entry is, this we are using this area. So this is the front area of this building. Now we are having the entrance. So this is, now we want to enter into our building, and before I introduce you into the building, you can see the formwork that we did, what we call the ring beam. And now at the entrance I mainly like to do the arches. So I did what we call a 4-centered arch. So these are 4-centered arches at the front house of the at the front house. So it's being done. It's not that expensive. We are just doing it to make sure that our work becomes so beautiful. It's just to beautify and decorate the kind of the art of work that we are doing. So you know, we are now in a world of modernity, and we are making sure that as modernity goes, we also go with the modern technology. Now this is the entry. This is the entry. So we want to enter into this building, and we are having this opening. So this is where we are going to place our door. And now I wanted to briefly brief you on the components of the elements that we have so far reached in this house. Remember that we began with a foundation, as we did setting out. So we began with setting out. We did our excavations. After doing the excavations, we also did what we call foundation walling. We constructed a foundation wall for the foundation. After that, we had the columns for the foundation. We had starter columns. We had to concrete them. Then after there, we also did what we call the slab. So we did our slab. I think we casted this video. You saw it in the stage strategically. Now after the slab, we did our walling, and you can see this is our walling, and this is the door sill. This is the door height. So the door sill is 2100 millimeters. That is the exact standard height for the door, not unless it was recommended otherwise to be maybe higher than that. But actually this is the standard size of the door, which is 2100, whereby you are going to frame it out with maybe a steel door, and this is the level that I use for every part we are going to put our door. So so far we did what we call walling, and my people, you know what walling it entails. It doesn't require so many things. It only requires blocks, cement, blocks, mortar, and also what we call hoop iron. So this is what has made this element to be appear this way today, and therefore I want also to now introduce you into the sitting room. So before we get into the sitting room, we have a quarter arch. This is what we call a quarter arch. You'll have to show them. So this is a quarter arch. It's round. It's a bit round. It's a bit round. So this is the entrance. Now when I want to enter into the sitting room, so when I'm entering this way, I'm getting into our sitting room. So this is a sitting room which is It's very massive. It's a sitting room of 75 millimeter, 7,500 millimeters by 6 millimeters. So which is in feet, we can say maybe that is 20 by 18. So it's a very massive one. It's very sufficient. Now that we are not having a dining room in this building, we made it so spacious to also perform the function of what a dining room could do. So this is our sitting room. Now this is our sitting room, and you can see that we did our ring beam yesterday. The previous day we did our ring beam, and this ring beam, you can maybe say why is other things higher. So like this one, we raised the arches because we are not going to, we could not lower it. It could maybe hit the appliance, the user's head. Now we have to raise it, but we have done the proper reinforcement when we are doing it. So this is our arch. It's at least above the normal level ring beam for our building. Now as I move here, I wanted now to introduce you into the what we call there is a room here. So there is a bedroom here. So this is, I can probably say this is bedroom 1. So this is bedroom 1. You can see that it's also a bit spacious. In feet we can call it 17 by 16. So it's a bit spacious. So and remember, it has got also windows, 2 windows. So as you can stand here, you can hear some noises from winds. Now the reason for that is it means our house is having what we call sufficient supply of air, oxygen, and also there is also what we call sufficient light. So these windows here provide light and also provides enough supplementation of air, or what we call ventilation. So this is our bedroom 1. Now, being bedroom 1, I told you this 3-bedroom house. We are now getting into a closet. We are having a closet here. This closet is so much functional in terms of this building. This closet is so much functional. Now we have to get here. As I stand here, I am getting into the bedroom 2. So this is bedroom 2. This is our bedroom 2. Now let's get into the bedroom 2. You can see the size. The size is also a bit big. It's 18 by 16. So it's a very big size, and it's a nice one. It's a nice one. So this is bedroom 2. Now I can also tell you that we also provided windows, enough windows, and so it has got 2 windows. So we have a proper supplement of air here. So there is no maybe cases of suffocation. The reason for somebody to suffocate maybe because there is lack of sufficient air. So we have placed 2 windows for sufficient supplementation of air, and also what we call light. Now coming there, we are coming, so let's get into another room. Through the same closet, we are having a common toilet. So this common toilet will be used by this common toilet will be used now by the public. So if a visitor comes into this house and maybe doesn't want to get outside, probably actually that visitor will use this toilet. So we'll recommend this visitor to use this toilet, and also anybody who cannot access the master bedroom actually can use this toilet. That's why we call it a common toilet. It's common for anybody who cannot be able to access the master room toilet. So it's only one room that is ensuite in these bedrooms. Now you can see the importance of this closet. I told you this closet is taking us out, taking us into the bedroom 2, taking us into the common toilets, and also finally it takes us into the master bedroom. So this is the main bedroom, this is the master bedroom. Massive. This is the master bedroom. So you can see it's 18 by 18 without a toilet. It's 18 by 18, this master bedroom. And also now this bedroom has got a toilet. So this is a toilet and a bathroom. It's a toilet and a bathroom, as you can see. So this is a toilet and a bathroom. So this is for the master room. So it means our master room is ensuite. So which means this is a very standard 3-bedroom house which we are having. It is only not we have not included what the kitchen and also the dining, but it has got 3 good bedrooms, which is also very standard. There is now one important thing that we have been doing today. I wanted also to show you. Maybe in this video, as we began the video, you can be asking, what is this reinforcement or formwork, kind of formwork at the window? So this is what we call the window sill. So we are doing, we have realized in some of the construction that most of the windows are getting cracks below it. They are getting cracks below it, maybe because of the atmosphere, because of maybe the earth movement, or also the pressure from the underground. Now we decided to put what we call the window sill. So this window sill here, functionality is going to perform a function of making sure that we are not going to have a diagonal cracks or any kind of cracks that we are that will be resulted from the window. So next time as we are recording, we are not going to result any kind of cracks. This is the research we've been doing. According to the temperatures, we've realized that Garissa, the northeastern counties region, it has got harsh temperatures. It has got harsh climate weather conditions. Now, however, you can do the standard work that is required. Mostly, you will realize there are some cracks below the window, and now we have brought a solution for it. We are having a solution here with you. So here with us we have what we call the window sill. So expect all the next forthcoming projects we are going to do, expect these window sills. It's not that expensive, it's just simple reinforcement, and it's not that expensive, very simple and also cheap in terms of maybe labor payment. So you will realize all the windows we have placed them. You can see these are the windows for the master room. We can also visit these other rooms so that you can see that all the windows, all the windows we have put this the window sill. All the windows, yes, all the windows we have put what we call the window sill. So you can see the form of this formwork, and now we have concreted. It has got been reinforced inside. So maybe yes. So this all the windows has got what we call the window sill. It has got the window sill. So our guys, I wanted to tell you that maybe for information, somebody maybe might be interested to ask. Now at this level, we are at the ring beam level, we are at the ring beam point. You might be asking questions. I want to build my house. I have a project, I have a dream house, and I don't know what's the cost as per the stage. I've been telling you there have been stages, but for now I cannot tell. I will just samplize up to the stage we are now. We have reached, but by the time we'll be showing another house, we'll be, or maybe we'll be having when we are having a personal engagement, we will be able to show you in stage per stage which cost can. So a 3-bedroom like this, you can ask now. You may ask, what is the cost? So it's very simple. This is just block work that has been done here, and slab, and so far maybe in terms of materials and labor cost, we can say roughly we are at 600 to 700,000. We are at 600 to 700,000. That is inclusive of labor, materials and everything. So at this stage we are at 600. So it's very simple when the house is on walling before finishing, that it's very cheap to begin it. It's very easy to begin it. You might be surprised that by the time we are done with the roofing, we have only used 800,000. So the remaining cost, maybe it will be for the finishes. So it's finishes that is costing that's a bit expensive, a bit higher. But for this, it is, I've not said that it's the actual price or the cost, because I may not know your region of work. I may not know the region where you maybe need to be to raise a structure like this. It might be higher in some areas because of maybe distances. It might be lower because of maybe the closeness and also the readiness for the material. So the reason as why this is at this region, maybe I'm quoting the highest price, a bit higher price, that it is between 600 and 700,000 Kenya shillings approximately. So maybe you can be having your questions. Let's meet at the comment section. We will answer everything you will want. We will have our director, we will have our secretary. We have so many group of people who can respond at these questions. Maybe you might be interested. So this is Garitech Interior Designs. We are giving, we are delivering, and we make sure that our clients will smile at the end of the day, as we also smile for the great work we are doing. So don't forget to share, comment and like our page. Make sure you follow us every day, follow us every time, because we are bringing you great things every day, great day. So enjoy our videos as you are watching as Garitech Interior Designers. Thank you.